there business owners, it's your favorite marketing bot, Henri Bot from Ready Aim Digital Marketing. Have you ever started creating a video, and halfway through realized you had absolutely no idea where it was going? Congratulations, you've experienced what I call storyboardless chaos. Today we're talking about why storyboards are one of the most important tools for creating business animations. And trust me, they can save you time, money, stress, and several headaches. So what exactly is a storyboard? A storyboard is basically a visual roadmap. It shows what each scene will look like before you spend hours animating. Think of it like a blueprint for a house. You wouldn't build a house by randomly stacking bricks and hoping for the best. At least I hope not. Animations work the same way. Benefit number 1, storyboards save time. When you know exactly what scenes you need, you stop guessing. You stop redoing work. And you stop hearing phrases like, "Can we completely change everything?" Nobody likes that sentence. Without a storyboard, your animation can start as a business video and somehow end up with dancing squirrels fighting dinosaurs in outer space. Fun, absolutely. Helpful for your business? Not so much. Benefit number 2, storyboards improve communication. Clients can see the vision early. Teams can understand the direction. And everyone gets on the same page before production begins. That means fewer surprises and fewer revisions, which makes everyone happier. Clients can see the vision early. Teams can understand the direction. And everyone gets on the same page before production begins. That means fewer surprises and fewer revisions, which makes everyone happier. Benefit number 3, better storytelling. A good animation isn't just pretty pictures, it is a story. A storyboard helps you plan the flow, the hook, the message, the call to action. It helps make sure your audience actually follows the journey. Let's say you are making a video for a realtor. Scene 1, introduce the problem. Scene 2, show the solution. Scene 3, show results. Scene 4, call to action, simple, effective, and much easier when you plan it first. So let's recap before someone starts animating without a plan. Storyboards help you save time, improve communication, and tell better stories. Those 3 things alone can make your animation dramatically better. If you want help creating animations, videos, storyboards, or marketing content for your business, check out the links in the description below. And if this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Because great animations don't happen by accident. They happen by design. Bye for now.